Kweth jood bura mag Kenya Kwanza bang' bedo kod romo mar jokanyo mag jood bura gikone owalo listi mar ji madhi bedo kanyakla mar twak ma idendo ni bipartisan. Kenya Kwanza oyiero seneta ma Kakamega Dr. Boni Khalwale, jaod bura ma Eldas Adan Kenan, jaod bura ma Tharaka George Murangara, seneta mogwel AC Ekenyuri, jaod bura ma Kibwezi East Mwengi Mutuse, jaod bura ma Taita Taveta Lydia Haika kod seneta ma Bomet Hilary Sigei. Gin bende giwacho ni giikore mar twak margi kendo giwacho ni maendi biro luwore kod kaka gisewinjore ma onge balo kata mbalo wang' ne wach mora mora midwaro gi kweth mar Azimio.
In resolving such matters, consequently, the PG nominates the following members to lead our team in this process. 1, the Honorable Boni Khalwale, Senator Kakamega. 2, the Honorable George Murugara, the Member of Parliament, Tharaka. 3, Honorable Senator S.C. Okenyuri, nominated Senator. 4, the Honorable Mwengi Mutuse, Member of Parliament, Kibwezi West. 5, the Honorable Lydia Haika, Women Representative, Taita Taveta. 6, the Honorable Senator Hilary Sigei, Senator Bomet County. And 7, the Honorable Adan Kenan, MP Eldas. The parliamentary group reaffirms our commitment to the rule of law and constitutionalism and appreciates the role of the opposition to oversight and criticize government. However, as a PG, we affirm our support to the efforts by the government on policies that are geared towards stabilizing our economy